Ferrari's LaFerrari stands as the brand's hybrid pinnacle, unveiled in 2013 to fuse a 6.3-liter V12 with HY-KERS, delivering 963 horsepower. The V12 partner pairs with instant electric torque, while a carbon fiber monocoque keeps weight down and handling razor sharp. 0 to 60 arrives in under 3 seconds, top speed surges beyond 200, and regenerative braking smooths the electric blend. Inside, hand-stitched leather, exposed carbon, and driver-focused controls crystallize Ferrari's dedication to luxury without compromising track precision. LaFerrari signaled a turning point, inspiring future hybrids with a couture balance of performance and artistry.